Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Builderall Assistant tool found at the top of your dashboard. Let's start by clicking on the Assistant button. Now, the Builderall Assistant tool makes it easy for you to get started with Builderall by selecting the right response to the questions provided. Here we have click here to get started. Now, as you may know, there are two different amazing business opportunities with Builderall. All you have to do is select one, or even select both. But let's start with becoming a Builderall affiliate. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to cycle you through a bunch of different questions to position you and get you started in the right direction. So for this example, it says, so you want to work as an affiliate on the Builderall business. In which plan are you subscribed to right now? Answer this question. Let's say, for example, you're on the free affiliate plan. Select that. And it will help guide you through additional information. So you have the free affiliate plan. Watch the video to start your business right now. So as you can see, all you have to do is continue to answer the questions by selecting the button that best suits your answer to learn more. Now, here you can go back to the previous menu, or you can go back to the main menu if you want to start completely over. So let's just go back, for example, to the previous question. Now, the previous question was, how do I become an affiliate? I am a free affiliate, which is the selection that we made previously, and I have the premium plan. So this time around, let's select that you have the premium plan, in case you do. Congratulations, you are a premium affiliate. We have created an incredible training to help you get started right now. So here you go, you have the option to start watching the video, or again, go back to the previous menu, or go back to the main menu. Now that we are back on the main menu, let's change our goal selection to select Use the Builderall tools for my business. Okay, you want to use the platform for your own business and projects. How do you want to start? Now you can select to get a quick overview of the platform, show me what I can do with Builderall, and then you can also kind of see the complete list of tools. So let's take a look here at show me what I can do. So now take a look at your options. You see, the Builderall Assistant is designed to help guide you to learning more about the direction you choose to go. And as you can see, this is a tool you can use over and over again. Now let's recap. The Builderall Assistant is a simple step-by-step guide that can help point you into the right direction through either as an affiliate of Builderall or a user of tools of Builderall. Remember, the Builderall Assistant can be used at any time, which is why it's conveniently located at the top of your dashboard. I hope you found this information helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.